Have you ever pondered on the many ways to earn money in a simple and easy manner? Well, wonder no more. Today we're going to explore a myriad of methods that can turn your financial dreams into reality. First off, one of the easiest ways to earn money is through online survey platforms. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products or services. This is where platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie come in. By dedicating a few hours a day to answering surveys, you can earn a decent sum of money. Next, consider selling products online. Do you have a knack for crafting? Are there items in your home that are no longer needed? Websites like Etsy and eBay can be your virtual marketplace. Create unique craft pieces or sell your pre-loved items. It's a great way to declutter and earn money at the same time. Thirdly, freelancing is a fantastic option. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr provide a platform for individuals with specific skills to offer their services to a global market. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or a software developer, there's a job out there for you. Fourthly, consider becoming an affiliate marketer. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission from every sale made through your referral link. Companies like Amazon offer affiliate programs that you can join for free. Another way to earn money is through investing in stocks and shares. This requires a bit more knowledge and research, but the returns can be quite impressive. You can start with small investments and gradually increase them as you become more comfortable with the process. Lastly, consider monetizing a blog or a YouTube channel. If you're passionate about a particular topic, why not share your insights with the world and earn money while doing so? With consistent effort and quality content, you can attract a following and monetize your platform through ads, sponsored posts, or product reviews. In summary, there are numerous ways to earn money in simple and easy ways. You can answer online surveys, sell products or services, become an affiliate marketer, invest in stocks, or monetize your blog or YouTube channel. The key is to find something that aligns with your interests and skills, and to remain consistent in your efforts. Remember, earning money doesn't always require a 9-to-5 job. With the right strategy, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn simple tasks into profitable ventures. So why not start today? Your financial future is in your hands. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you have found these ways to earn money both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and would like to receive more content like this, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support is what keeps us going and helps us in creating more such content. Remember, every like, every share, and every subscription counts. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey of financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy peasy money tips.